This is an Apple Vision Pro.
Apple Vision Pro.
Cost me $3,700.
I actually love this thing.
The Apple Vision Pro, a groundbreaking spatial computer, was announced during Apple's big meeting for tech fans, WWDC23, on June 5, 2023. This special device mixes digital stuff with the real world, letting you be part of both at the same time. You control it using your eyes, hands, and voice like magic. The Vision OS, which is like the brain of this device, lets you play with digital stuff like it's right there with you. The Apple Vision Pro is a cool device with a curved glass display, an aluminum frame, and a comfy headband. It has cameras and sensors to track your eyes and face. The display shows things in super clear detail, and it adjusts based on what you're looking at. The headset comes with different storage options like 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB. You can power it with a battery pack, a USB-C port on a computer, or an external power supply. It also scans your face to create a virtual avatar and has a dial to control what you see, from seeing both the virtual and real world to just focusing on the virtual stuff. It's like magic glasses for the future. People could start ordering the Apple Vision Pro on January 19th, and it officially went on sale on February 2nd, 2024. It starts from $3,499 and is currently in trending, as this is a new Apple product and many big YouTubers are trying it also. Absolutely. The Apple Vision Pro looks promising and lives up to the hype. Packed with features like a curved display, advanced sensors, and even personalized avatars, it offers a unique and immersive experience. To know if it's right for you, consider checking out reviews and trying it firsthand to see how well it fits into your preferences and needs. It's a blend of innovative technologies, but personal experiences and preferences play a key role in deciding if it's the right choice for you. Thank you for joining in this short introduction of the newly released groundbreaking Apple product, the Apple Vision Pro. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and also ring the notification bell. This is Toast, signing off. Take care.